Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the WWE 2K25 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the difficulty settings for your gameplay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the WWE 2K25 game on your device, and once you open it up, in order to change the difficulty setting, scroll all the way to the right until you see the gameplay feature. Just click on this to enter, and now you can see the difficulty settings right at the very beginning. You have various difficulty settings, including normal, easy, as well as hard and legend. Now, if you choose the easy option, then you will notice that the AI that you are playing against is very weak, and it doesn't perform as much reversal. If you choose the normal setting, it is the ideal level of difficulty that is recommended to try the game on. If you have completed normal, then you can move on to hard or legend to challenge yourself. After choosing your desired difficulty setting, just press the save button or navigate to it and then press on it, and now your settings have been saved, and you can now start enjoying your matches with your chosen difficulty setting. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your difficulty settings within the WWE 2K25 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.